In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for marketing teams. We'll walk through setting up a marketing workspace using ClickUp's built-in options so your team can plan campaigns, content, and launches with clarity. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and head into the workspace you use with your team. From the left sidebar, open the space where your marketing work will live. Spaces are your highest level containers for a department or function, so this is the place to organize everything marketing related in one hub. Inside that space, look for the plus icon. This is your quick way to add new items, like folders, lists, or docs. Clicking the plus gives you a clean slate to organize campaigns, content calendars, and creative requests. If you're unsure what structure to use, don't worry. ClickUp has templates that do most of the heavy lifting for you. Use the search to type marketing. This pulls up a range of ready-made setups designed for common workflows, such as campaign management, social media scheduling, content production pipelines, and event planning. Skimming the previews is helpful. Look for templates that include statuses you recognize, like ideas, in progress, and launched, along with custom fields for channels, budgets, or target audiences. Choosing a template that closely matches your workflow will save time and reduce rework later. Choose the option that best fits your needs, then customize it before you start using it. Begin by renaming it to reflect your team or project so everyone immediately knows what it's for. Review the statuses and streamline them to match how your team really works. Fewer, clearer stages make tracking faster. Check the custom fields too. Keep what's useful, like campaign owner, platform, and launch date, and remove anything you won't maintain. If a field is missing, add it now so you don't have to retrofit your data later. Open the included task or examples and adapt them. Replace placeholder tasks with your upcoming campaigns, assign owners, add due dates, and set priorities. Switch between list, board, and calendar views to confirm the setup feels intuitive. Calendar is great for editorial planning. Board is perfect for pipeline visibility, and list gives you a compact, sortable view for reporting. When everything looks right, you're ready to roll. You've opened ClickUp, use the plus in your space to start fresh, search for marketing to find the right template, and then tailored it name, statuses, fields, and views to match your process. This foundation makes collaboration smoother and keeps your team focused on delivering results.